Welcome back to day 5 of playing 5 matches of War Thunder every day until I reach top tier. Here is our current tech tree, and here is what we will be trying to research today, which is line 3. Enough yap, time for the first match. And here it is, match 1, and using our new vehicle, which I now love. Awful match, but I have a feeling you guys will like this match. Match number 2. Fucking hate this game anyways. On to match number 3. Match 4 corrupted, so on to the final match, match number 5. And that concludes the end. This is our tech tree now, and this is what we will be researching tomorrow. If you like this video, like, comment, and give me a follow. They'll see you tomorrow for day 6.